now I've got all the ceiling boards screwed up, I've been thinking that the ceiling design inside, I'm going to use pitch pine and some oak, and the woodwork is going to be very involved in creating this. And also the challenge as well is, once I've made the ceiling, I want to be able to take it out and do some like additional electrics in it. So let's give it a go. Just cut pitch pine down now. This is like rough sawn in a way, but we're just going to run it through table saw to get like, make them parallel, and then we'll pass it all through planer to make it all uniform. So I've machined some oak whilst we were doing the pitch pine. I'm just going to rip these down now for the slats to go between the pitch pine. As I mentioned earlier, this ceiling is going to want to come down once I've finished building it. So these pieces of plywood I've just put on are only temporary, and I should be able to unscrew these and slide the ceiling out hopefully, so fingers crossed.